In this tutorial, we'll explore the third and newest way to present your design work with Overflow called Overflow Stories. Stories are step-by-step walkthroughs of your design work that you can go through during a presentation meeting, or you can share with your clients and stakeholders to follow on their own asynchronously. Let's see how Overflow Stories would work for this retail app user flow example. We enter Stories mode by clicking on the Stories button at the bottom right of our screen. Stories are made up of scenes. To create a scene, you can click on the Add Scene button or hit the A key. Let's draw a couple of scenes around the areas we want our audience to focus on. For every scene, we can offer additional context by adding text prompts. These prompts contain anything you believe will help your audience follow your presentation better. If you're presenting in person, you can present your story by just clicking the Play button. You can navigate through your story using the arrows on the navigation bar or simply your keyboard's arrow keys. The right key will take you to the next scene or prompt in the sequence, while the left will take you back. You can click the Pause button at any time to break the story sequence. This way, you'll be able to switch to Canvas mode, where you can interact with connectors and other interaction areas, or Prototype mode if you prefer to see your project screen by screen. At any point, you can resume back to the story by clicking on the Play button or hitting the P key. This will take you back to the last scene and prompt you were looking at before pausing the story. You may prefer to share your presentation for asynchronous design critique, for example, with stakeholders across different time zones, or simply to allow them to explore your work at their own pace. To do so, just publish your Overflow document, making sure the Include Story in Publication option is enabled. You can share a direct link to the story, which will take recipients to the first scene in the sequence. They'll still have the option to switch to presentation and prototype mode if they wish. If you share the publication link, recipients will be taken to the Canvas presentation mode and will need to enter the story view by clicking on the Stories button. That's it. We hope you enjoy presenting your work using Overflow Stories, either in person or asynchronously. Happy storytelling!